Good afternoon, students. In previous class, we discussed about atomic weights, atomic numbers, how to calculate molecular mass of the molecule. Some students in that session, homework also completed and sent to me. Okay, now perfectly. And remaining persons also out. If you have doubt, you ask me. At the same time, here if you want to send a homework in chemistry homework, please note down my WhatsApp number 992303441 3441. This is my WhatsApp number. If any work is there or any doubt regarding chemistry, you please contact this number. Is a clean. Here I was a Rupodevi College students. Okay. Now we are see sir, from day one onwards, you have to concentrate on each and every concept. If you get the doubt, immediately you contact us, you take the clarity. Suppose if a strong foundation happen in this bridge course period, it is more helpful in your further studies in PUC, NEET as well as JEE examination. Okay, in this session, now we are going to discuss ions and how to write the formulas. Ions and how to write formulas we are going to discuss it. First, you can see what is ion. What is ion? An atom or group of atom with some charge is called what's it? Ion. Atom or group of atom with some charge is called ion, okay, na? Which behaves as a single unit in a chemical reaction. Once again, you see, ion means atom, an atom or group of an atom or group of atoms. Atom or group of atoms with some charge and it behaves as single unit in chemical reaction. Its meaning, suppose some group of atoms are there, SO4 minus 2. This is sulfur. S indicates sulfur, O indicates oxygen. Both cannot shows the different properties. These all total 5 atoms together, it acts as single unit. Is a cleaner. It expressed only one type of characteristics only. Sulfur and oxygen both cannot separated. Together, it acts as a single unit in chemical reaction. Okay, na? That is what's an atom or group of atom with charge. It behaves as a single unit in a chemical reaction is called ions. Carefully see, sir. Ions, two types of classification. Here ions based on composition. Means what type of atoms present in that. Based on that, ions are two types. What that is? Simple ions, compound ions. Simple ions and compound ions. Carefully see, simple ions. If the ion contain one or more atoms of a same element, is called simple ions. Carefully see, if the ion contains one or more atoms of a same element, of the same element, is called simple ions. You see the example, Cl minus, simple ion, Na plus, simple ion, O minus 2, O2 minus 2. Here more than one atom is there, even though both atoms belongs to same element, that is oxygen. O minus 2, O minus okay, N3 minus. These all are, everyone is belongs to simple ion. Reason, it contain only one type of element. These are called what, sir? Simple ion. Once again, simple ion definition: an ion contain one or more atoms of the same element. It may be positive or negative. Suppose you see Hg2 plus 2. Here 2 mercury atoms are there. So this is what types of simple ions. Now come to here, compound ions. If the ion contain atoms of different elements or atoms of two or more elements, such ions we call compound ions. Example, CO3 minus 2. In this ion, carbon as well as oxygen is there. So like that, ions here not there. Every ion contain same element. But here, this CO3 minus 2, it contain two type of elements. So this is, we can't call simple ion. This is comes under into compound ion. Next one, SO4 minus 2. SO4 minus 2, PO4 minus 3. These all comes under into what, sir? Compound ion. Compound ion. Each compound ion contain atoms of different elements. Simple ions contain one or more atoms of the same element. This is the one classification, what that is based on composition. Okay, now come to the another classification of ions. This is ions based on charge. Based on charge, ions we can divide into two types. One is what is positive charged ion, that is what we electropositive ions. Okay, or it is also called cations. Another name, base radical or basic radicals. What, sir? See, different names. What that is? Electropositive ions, cations or basic radical. Okay, which atom or group of atom which possess positive charge, they are called as cations. Is a clean. Here you see 1 unit per, depending on magnitude of charge. These are again divided into monovalent cation, divalent cation, trivalent cation, tetravalent cation. What is monovalent cation? If the ion possesses 1 unit positive charge, means plus 1. If the ion possesses 1 unit positive charge, that is comes under into monovalent cation. If the ion possesses 2 units positive charge, divalent or bivalent cation. Ion possesses 3 units positive charge, trivalent cation. If ion possesses 4 units positive charge, tetravalent ion. In the same way, here electronegative ions. Another one name anions. Another one acid radicals. Another one what we call, sir? Acid radicals. Generally negative ions we call as Anions are acid radicals. Is it clear? So ions based on charge electropositive, electronegative. Ions based on composition simple ions and compound ions. Okay, now for this positive and negative ions, examples we can see. First one, in the second classification, I am taking part 1, cations. Another name, basic radicals. We generally these positive ions, metal ions, they exhibit basic character in solutions. That's why it is called what's it? Basic radical. Come to here to study about this basic radical. Cations, first one, monovalent cation. Mono means one or uni. Is it clear? If the atom or group of atom possess one unit positive charge, simple sir, an atom or group of atoms possess one unit positive charge. Atom or group of atom possess one unit positive charge. What we call? Monovalent charge is called monovalent cation. Monovalent cation. Okay. Example. All first group elements, generally what's it? All first group, it means it is a periodic table, sir. First group ions, example, sodium, Na plus, sodium ion, Na plus, potassium, K plus, rubidium, Rb plus, cesium, Cs plus. Again, first one you write down here, lithium ion, Li plus. Okay, along with this, ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Mercurous, ion. This also called mercurous ion. This also called one more name, mercury 1 ion. Mercury 1 ion means E1 indicate charge present on that atom, means it is Hg plus. This all comes under into monovalent ions. Cuprous ion, one more. cuprous ion. It is nothing but Cu plus. Sir, cupric, cuprous ion. Difference I will tell here is, see, copper exhibit two types of oxidation state. That are two. One is +1, another one +2. Generally, if one element exhibit more than one charge or more than one oxidation state, in lowest oxidation state, less +1 ala, in lowest oxidation state, that ion, we can, its name end with OUS sound. Actually make copper cuprous. Okay na? Copper cuprous ion. If the any element exhibit two type of oxidation state, lower oxidation +1 +2, this is lower, this is n. If exhibit two types of oxidation state, lower oxidation state name end with OUS sound, higher oxidation state name end with ic sound. So cuprous ion, cupric, ic ion, +2 cupric ion. In the same way, mercury, Hg, it exhibit Hg +2, Hg +1. Mercury element, mercurous ion, mercuric ion. In the same way, iron exhibit two types of oxidation state, +3 and +2. Here lower oxidation state +2. This is we call iron here ferrum, sir, named Latin name in ferrum, ferrous ion, ferric ion, ferrous, ferric, mercurous, mercuric, cuprous, cupric. So lower ic sound indicate higher oxidation state of that element. OUS sound indicate lower oxidation state of that element. Okay na? General way we are using. But in IUPAC system, that oxidation state number we can write in the bracket mercury 1 ion. But common system, what we can write? Mercurous ion, cuprous ion, Cu plus. But in general name, one more name, what we can write? Copper 1 ion. Copper 1 ion. These all are considered into what's that? Monovalent ions. Okay. Now come to the divalent ion. Second one. Divalent. Another name bivalent. Bi. Bivalent cations. Bivalent cations. Bivalent cation means atom or group of atom which possess 2 units positive charge is called, same sir, entire same definition, but here 1 unit positive charge place you should write 2 units positive charge. Atom or group of atom which possess 2 units positive charge, it is called as what's it? Divalent or bivalent ion. Example, all second group elements, it possess +2 charge. All second group ions, elements, ion means after losing electron. What is there? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. +2, +2, +2, +2, +2. Here beryllium ion, magnesium ion, calcium ion, strontium ion, barium, ion. These are the second group ion. At the same time, mercuric ion. mercuric ion. Another name what we can write for this? Another name what we write? Or you write name. One more this one. Mercury in bracket 2 ion. For this formula Hg plus 2. Cupric ion. This is formula Cu plus 2. Cupric ion another name? Copper 2 ion. Both symbol is same. Or that is Cu plus 2. Okay. Cu plus 2. At the same time, ferrous ion. For here you write down. Here no space. I am writing here. Ferrous ion or iron 2 ion. Ferrous ion Fe plus 2. These are divalent ions. Monovalent, divalent. Monovalent 1 unit positive, divalent 2 unit positive charge. Sir, here you see clearly write down. It is Ba, barium. Sr, strontium. Okay. Now come to here. Next one. Trivalent cation. Simple. Atom or group of atoms which possess 3 units positive charge, it is called trivalent ion. Example, you see sir, ferric ion Fe plus 3, cobalt ion Co plus 3, Co plus 3, cobalt. Aluminium ion, this is third group element. Aluminium ion Al plus 3. Aluminium ion Al plus 3. Manganese ion Mn plus 3. Chromium ion Cr plus 3. Chromium Cr plus 3. These are the what's that? Trivalent ion. In the same way, fourth one, tetravalent cations. Tetravalent cation. Ion, atom or group of atom which possess 4 units positive charge, that is tetravalent ion. Example, tin plus 4 ion. This is also we can write stannous ion. Stannous ion, what we can write here? Sn plus 4. Sorry, stannic ion. Stannous means plus 2, sir. Shall you write here? Stannous ion Sn plus 2. Lead ion, lead 4 ion, what it gives? Pb plus 4. Next, platinum 4 ion, it is Pt plus 4. These all are based on charge. Cations we can divide into what's that? Monovalent cation, divalent cation, trivalent cation and tetravalent cation. Is it clear? Now come to the what's that? Anions. Types of come to it. Anions. Sir, in anion, definition is this, sir. Atom or group of atom which possess negative charge, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 units. Such ions we called as what, sir? Anions. Here 1 unit negative means what we call, that is monovalent anion, divalent anion, trivalent anion, tetravalent anion. Carefully see. First, monovalent anions. Monovalent anions. A atom or group of atom which possess 1 unit negative charge, they are comes under into monovalent anions. Example you see, sir. Hydride ion, H minus. Symbol, sir, H minus. Hydroxide ion, OH minus. Fluoride ion, F minus. Chloride, Cl minus. Bisulfate ion, HSO4 minus. Bicarbonate ion, HCO3 minus. Nitrate ion, NO3 minus. Nitrite, look at here, TRATE, nitrate ion, NO3 minus. Nitrite, NO2 minus. Azide, N3 minus. Azide, N3 minus. Superoxide, O2 minus. O2 minus. These all are belongs to monovalent anions. Okay na. Next come to the divalent anions. Atom or group of atom which possess 2 units negative charge is called divalent ions. Example you see, sir. Sulfate ion, SO4 minus 2. Carbonate, CO3 minus 2. Sulfide, S minus 2. Oxalate, C2O4 minus 2. Check remaining example. X. Oxide, O minus 2. Peroxide, O2 minus 2. Peroxide, O2 minus 2. Oxide, minus 2. You have to practice this and all to get the commanding on formulas. Okay. One more here. Additionally, write, sir. Cyanide. Cn minus. Here again, monovalent, sir. Isocyanide. Nc minus. Okay. These are the divalent ions. Now, trivalent anions. Trivalent anions. What is there here? Trivalent anions. See, sir. Nitride ion. Nitride. TRIDE. Nitride ion. N minus 3. Phosphide ion. P minus 3. Phosphate. PO4 minus 3. First one, this I will rough this one. Phosphide ion. PO4 minus. Phosphite. PO3 minus 3. These are the trivalent ion. Ferricyanide. Ferricyanide ion. FeCN 6 times outside upper position. Fe and Cn 6 we can take in bracket. This is complex answer. Here charge minus 3. Is it clear? These are the trivalent. In the same way, you can see tetravalent anions. Tetravalent anions. Example, carbide ion. C minus 4. Ferrocyanide ion. FeCN 6 times minus 4. These are comes under into tetravalent anions. Up to now, here is sir, types of cations, types of anion, and few examples for each type we clearly seen, sir. Based on these ions, how to write the formula for some ionic compound. Okay, how to write formula for ionic compound, that also you have to see. Few example I will do it. How to write formula for ionic compound. How to write ionic compound for ionic compound. Some examples I will take and do it. Later that method we can use, sir. Suppose to write this one we are using criss-cross method. You know, in school syllabus criss-cross method we can use. Okay, now suppose some example I want to do here. Sodium carbonate. Compound name sodium carbonate. Look at here. While writing name or formula, cation followed by anion, but anion first never comes. okay, now followed by cation, anion will come. That is you remember in mind. So here what ions? Sodium carbonate, what ions are present? One is sodium. Sodium ion is Na plus. That you should recall. And here carbonate ion CO3 minus 2. These two ions. So first left side you write sodium ion. Right side you can write what's a anion. Okay, cation. Next anion you write like this with the charge. Now what you have to do? You crisscross you do it. I am writing cross symbols. Now as it is this symbol I am wrote here. At the same time this is I am taken here. Sorry, any compound ion is there that should be placed in parenthesis, means this type of bracket. Okay, now compound ion should be placed in parenthesis. Now this is the very important point. You look at here. Here charge of anion. Charge means only this value. Charge of anion, it become base of cation. Here what charge is there, that is you can write as a base for cation. Charge of anion or charge of negative ion you can written as base of cation. So what we can write here? 2. Here what is there? And then second point, charge of cation become base of anion. So what we should write here? Base 1. Is a cleaner. So this formula we can write like this. Sir, CO3 taken one time. One no need to mention. That's why how to write this formula? Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Second one, ferrous chloride. Ferrous chloride. Ferrous means already you know that is symbol Fe, OUS sound plus 2. OUS sound means always not plus 2. In iron plus 2 plus 3. In that lower is OUS sound. So plus 2 is iron plus 2 we call ferrous ion. And chloride means Cl minus. Sir, both are simple ion, no compound ion. Symbol you can write Fe. SCl. Now you write charge of anion, base of cation. Here 1, 1. No need to write 1. Here you see, sir, plus 2. Charge of cation, it become base of anion. Therefore, formula of this compound is FeCl2. Ferrous chloride, what's it? FeCl2. In the same way, ferric chloride. Ferric chloride. Fe plus 3. Ferric plus 3. Cl minus. Look at here. Symbols I wrote here as it is. Here power 1. Charge is negative ion charge 1. That is I wrote here 1. Okay. Here charge of cation 3. So base of anion is 3. Therefore, formula what we can write? FeCl3. Ferric chloride FeCl3. Ferrous chloride FeCl2. In the same way, one more. Potassium ferrocyanide. Potassium ferrocyanide. Potassium first group element, it charges plus 1. Okay, now plus 1. And next ferrocyanide FeCN 6 times, here charge is 4. FeCN 6 times, charge 4. Ferrocyanide. Look at here. You make it crisscross. K, charge of anion 4, so base of cation 4. Therefore, charge of cation 1, base of anion 1. So, K4 FeCN 6 times. K4FeCN 6 times. This is what, sir? Potassium ferrocyanide. Okay now. Next, one more example. Sodium oxalate. Sodium oxalate. Sodium Na plus oxalate C2O4 minus 2. You write down. You make it crisscross. Na2 is there, you write 2. And here C2O4 taken here, compound ion you should take in bracket. So what it becomes, sir? It is power 1. So if the whole to the power 1 taken one time is no need to mention. Therefore formula what, sir? You write at one place Na2 C2O4. Next one, magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate, you know, magnesium plus 2, sulfate SO4 minus 2. Sir, you make it crisscross. Magnesium here SO4 without charges. I wrote symbol here. How much you should take? Here charge is 2, here base 2. Charge of anion 2, base of cation 2. In the same way, charge of cation 2, therefore base of anion also 2. So 2 is here. In that, if the ratio should be in simple number, that this number should be in simple ratio. Here 2 is there, 2 is to 2. You can make it a simple ratio, then it become what, sir? 1:1. Therefore, its formula become MgSO4. We should write MgSO4, not Mg2SO4 taken twice. Okay. Sir, if the ratios should be in least or simple ratio, it is not multiple factors. Okay. Then that is the correct. One more example. Aluminium sulfate. Sulfate Al plus 3 SO4 minus 2. You make it crisscross. Al 2 SO4 3 there in bracket compound ion. This is, that's why I kept bracket. Charge 3. This, therefore your base is 3. Okay now. So carefully see, sir, by using this method you can write formulas of ionic compounds. Some example I will give to you. You try to write the formulas for that components. Sir, look at here. Some examples mentioned here. Names are given for the ionic compound. By using these names and by using previous given ions formulas, you try to write, or sir, you try to write ionic formulas for these 10 compounds. Okay. In this session we are seeing the types of ions and how to write the formula for ionic compound. Is it clear? Regarding any doubts is there, you can contact with our WhatsApp number. Is it clear? Thank you one and all.